Okay, you're watching video 2, which is basically dealing with how to stay ahead of competition with your digital marketing, or maybe tied to the other videos. So, for example, if right at the time of making this playing, you have a new course for the gold members on there, which is the same setup, same template for the gold members. So if you're watching the new course, which is AI income, which is ongoing income with affiliate marketing, this is the template. This is pretty much the setup to get started. But if you're part of the gold members, if you're not part of the gold membership, I go more detail, the hands-on approach on there, day to day. Here's the step on there. Here's what's going to happen the next week, so forth and so forth. But the purpose of this video here is to get you started and apply what you chose, what membership you chose. Here's the video. So the title of this video is called, it's going to deal with number 2, setting up a blog. What I would do to get started if I want to stay ahead of the competition with digital marketing, whether you're a beginner or whether you're new or whatever. Here's just here mindset. The purpose of this type of video, the steps we're doing here is all about setting up passive income models and setting up your foundation. Once you set your foundation, you can adjust, enhance, remove, add, or whatever, multiply, delegate, or whatever. But this is building your foundation, okay? So what would we do too if I had to start off with where you be above the competition is? If you don't have it at this time, I advise you to get either a blog, and I'm going to tell you why, either a blog or get a website. If I was to get a website, I would start out with something like something where I can educate them or create, as we say before, as I said before on some of the videos on there, I would create a evergreen webinar or evergreen VSL or something like this. But I need this in order to do what we're going to go over in video 3 or the next video. If you're going in orders on there, is to have some type of tracking pixel tied on to this platform, your platform that you control and own, which is your website page, landing page, or whatever. Or what I would do is a blog. If you see before, you guys, here's an example here. You came to you guys are coming through my SEO, or you coming through my pay-per-click, or someone sharing this information to my digital, as I call it, real estate that I control and own, or I'm part of controlling or owning. Okay, so that's the example. So here are the 2 things. Number 2, create a blog or website. You can go here. If you need help on that, if you're not part of the gold membership, which I show you, I'll walk you step by step on how to create these blog with plugins and all that good information. If you're part of the newsletter or silver, upgrade to the gold and above, whatever membership, and I'll show you how and how I built this and how it's working and how we're improving and how we're part of the private membership, and you'll get more information for like-minded people who's more experienced or taking this to another level. But anyhow, I just want to make this video. What I would do, here's video 2 on how to stay ahead of the competition. To stay ahead of the competition, this is the first form. What I would do, I would give me a blog because I control it. I think of it as real estate. I own this. So if I was a real estate agent or a loan officer or a mortgage broker, whatever, I went to that mortgage brokerage company on there, I would start building my own leads, which leads to turn to my own sales, because they came from my blog page or they came from my site that I bought this domain, which you're gonna have to buy a domain either or. You don't have to, but I advise you to buy if you're doing a blog. Just not get it confusing on it. You gotta get your domain, and then once you get your domain, you're gonna create your blog site. But either 2, whether you're doing a blog or whether you're buying your domain to create a evergreen webinar or a landing page or whatever, some type of video where now you can track on, which we're going to go over that for step 3, video 3. These are the 2 forms I would do. So create a blog, create your own blog site, and create content. Just do multiple content. Just start out 1 or 2 articles. Don't worry about the long term for the SEO. Just get started. Your foundation, like I said before, just start the design, the development, and you're delivering. Just start those 3 things and you got it going, okay? So those are 2 things. I just want to make this brief video. This video 2. We have 6 videos, okay? So if we're going down the line, this is video 2, just a brief on how to stay ahead of the competition with digital marketing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.